virtual best of three. Alcala sidestepping his way through, floats it up, and then Neko. Alcala once again, this time to the middle, scoops it up once again. For early points. He will try from outside, gets that three. Joseo counter steal, blocked from behind by Gravera. Wigo recovers, blocked once again. 4-point lead pa rin para sa Capitals. Nolo Fuentes to Minerva Guara. Late goal. And look at that! Team doing it on defense. Calo atake. Wigo. There's a basketball and what will be blocked by Byron. Macaloni matatamaan dito. Pero po prestrindo. Fuentes. Beyond the arc. Grado daw. Unable to answer. Look at that basket. Fighting for an offense. Macaloni strong to the hoop. Bob drives inside. Traveling violation. Ayaw. Gonzalez. Power rebound. Malalaglag siya rito. Agawan ng bola. Unable to hit. Rebound. Fakes out. Calo. All for that foul.
Yorme Mark Alcala nakisali na din sa WrestleMania series. Naging agawang buko ang Game 3.
Step back and kiss myself. Big time plays, big time plays. Woo! Alcala!
Dito si Mr. Mark Alcala. Your President Cup 2024 Finals, a virtual best of three. Alcala sidestepping his way through, floats it up and then cook. Crowd goes wild agad.
Pagbabago lumis sa kagad ng ano.
Shadowed by Huico. Alcala once again, this time to the middle, scoops it up once again and then 4 points para kay Mark Alcala.
Nagulat talaga ang Capitals with the entry of Mark Alcala.
The Capitals for this game number 3. Huico lose the basketball but will be fouled.
That will be on Michael Wigo. Mike Wigo dito. Here is the play. Wigo will lose that handle and will push out Fuentes. Apparently hit on the face.
Every time Michael Wigo touches that ball. As Macaloni to the reverse. Trying to back him down. Blocked by Byron. Macaloni matatamaan dito. A bit of a frustration foul coming from RJ Minya.
He was blocked. And then kay Michael Wigo.
Fuentes. Fakes out Wigo. Gets that jumper to go. Period. Villarias goes to Macaloni against 2. Kick out. Biton wide open. Gets that 3 to go. As well. On the block is Macaloni. Biton asking for it. Gets the basketball. Second 3-pointer and will sink. Tataas din yung kumpiyansa mo knowing that Simon Sandagon is back.
Yes.
Biton working well for the Capitals. As Gravera missing from outside, ahead to Will Macaloni. Gets a bounce. Early second foul din.
Yes.
Dito kay Will Macaloni. Gets the bump, floats it up and in.
Wow, he's
Para kay Will Macaloni, the best player of the conference. Inside to Cannon. Nakabawi din naman agad. Swings it to Robles. To the middle. Finishes with the left.
yes.
Abundo. Trying to escape the defense of Cosejo. Hands it off. Matiliano for 3. Gets that to go. Less with a handle. Goes to Cosejo. Averaging 16 in the series.
Is most likely facing the same challenges. As mentioned in my pregame, the Titans took an 8-hour journey home after Game 2. Pero buti na nga lang daw ay nanalo sila in attempts. Kaya balik na muna sa inyo, Jaime and Randy.
Salamat muli, Jess Constantino for that report. As Sandagon. Abundo. They go to Fuentes. Open for 3.
Give and go para kay Collado.
Fuentes stepping back. Gets that 3 to go. Victory. You know he should be a marked man from beyond the arc. Oliado though, unable to answer. Foul whistled here. It might be a...
Watch at the left side of the screen. Abundo and Robles. And yes, it's good talaga, ha?
Confirmed, no? Hindi tayo namamalikmata. Gozom inside.
Again, that two-man game.
Loose ball scramble. Players on the floor. Cosejo will come out of the crowd. Cosejo pa rin. Sidesteps his way through.
Para sa Capitals.
Has the basketball. And yun na, kakasabi mo lang. Cosejo. Calo will lose that basketball stolen by Fuentes. Cosejo counter steal. Blocked from behind by Gravera. Wigo recovers. Blocked once again. Gravera back to back. Big blocks. Both teams doing it on defense. Calo atake. Iniluwa. And even worse, will be called for an offensive foul. Attack. Take another look, Professor.
Yung mga asahan mo talaga yung ganyang klaseng mo.
The ball game for the Titans. Exploded for early points. He will try from outside. Gets that 3 to go. Eto na. Balik na kaagad ang energy ng Quezon.
Yep,
Balik na naman sa isa kalamangan dito ng Nueva Ecija. Celes. 4-point lead pa rin para sa Capitals. No look. Fuentes to Minerva. What a pass. Macaloni against Minerva. Able to get that basket. Fighting for an offensive rebound. As hawak.
Missed the shot. And against Lagrama, may hawak eh.
Oilon to the baseline. Looking for Wigo. Stolen by Lagrama. Speeding up court. Goes to Judel Fuentes. Bounces it to Minerva. Blocked by Oilon. They have it 2-on-1. Ahead of the pack is Jonathan. Easy layup. Court na parang balanse nagiging atake dito ng Quezon in the absence of look at the performance as we see Fuentes. Celes misses on that layup. Looking ahead to Mark Alcala. Gets the finish over.
Hindi Alcala, yung 9 points na yan, napakalaki in this close ball game.
Speaking of picking up his offense, Chris Biton so far.
Yes.
Picks up those dimes, no? Pero kung gusto rin niyang score, alam mong kaya rin talaga eh. Gozom from outside. So far, they've been hanging around. Sandagon hit with kind of theme dito sa ating third quarter so far. Fuentes from outside. Gets another three-pointer. Judel.
He would have to make an adjustment.
Gonzalez gets it to Minerva. Short stab.
Tatang the free throw line si LJ.
Lalim din talaga ng Quezon na Professor, no? As Will Macaloni hits. Opportunity again for the Capitals. Macaloni strong to the hoop. Fouled by Cannon once again. Heading to the line for a... Malubong ka naman ba sa Cannon, Professor Randy? And again, to that strong side. Macaloni switches on him. He will try for 3. Gets his first points off the ball. 3. Abundo. He goes to Ronyo. Balik kay Abundo. Nice fake. Takes it closer. Off the glass. Good. Drives inside. Traveling violation. Ipipito.
Critical. Outside of the big 3, kailangan gusto si Jose for the Capitals. Ay, maganda gawin sa mga Tagalukban, ha? Matitikman namin yan.
Just have WrestleMania nung Sunday. Maka-inspired pa ang mga tao. Wigo badly misses on that one, but Calo and gets it to Ronyo. A street to shoot. Floats it up. Ayaw. Gonzalez, power rebound. Malalaglag siya rito. Agawan ng bola. Jump ball is whistled by our officials.
Tignan mo.
Parang nung bagsak ni LJ kasi power yung yung back corner. Unable to hit. Rebound. Trying to fight for it but lose. Look at that rebounding battle. Robles trying to fight for that one and yung tawag nga.
I think it's parang healthier si Minerva.
This is Minerva finishing with that left. Lalo sa kasing liit ko, no? Look at that! Goes with a slam! Masyado malakas. Tapik, mapupunta kay Biton. Fly-by move. Gets that 3 to go. Fourth. Down to a 5-point lead. Trying to be protected here by the Titans. Look at that turnaround shot. Goes to Abundo. Inside to Gozom. Fakes out Billy Ray. Calo. Called for that foul. 2 free throws coming up para kay Will. Holding on to his face.
Nagulat rin si Gozom doon. Nalibre siya.
Three white shirts. Sumalubong dito kay Will. Robles.
Sa angulong to, partner. Yung kamay na tira mo yung kanan. Nakamay ni Cosero na supposedly nung tumama sa mukha.
Gets it to Macaloni against Minerva. Backing his way down. Hand off. Celes inside. Fuentes. Gets it to Sandagon. Matatapikan. Fuentes. Right in the nick of time. Gets that 3-pointer to go. They might have to have now for the Titans. 69-62. A minute and 45 left. Babawiin ba ni Biton? 3-pointer from the corner. Answers is Chris Biton. Lead for the Titans. Look at this matchup. Biton and Fuentes. 20 points para kay Judel. Make that 23 for another 3-pointer. As clock will run out. And the Quezon Titans will win this pivotal game number 3, 75-68.
You don't like NBA basketball!